Hi guys, I'm Alson here. I'm the trainer for the price action manipulation course in Piranha Profits. So I've been coaching since 2016 and we're very honored to be invited by Adam to be here to actually share with you guys more about how professionals in the proprietary trading desk actually trade the markets and identify the manipulation, right? So that this empowers retail traders like yourself, right, to gain the same edge as the professional to generate consistent profits in the market. And when I was in the prop desk, I achieved a total net profit of about $1.2 million. And so today I'm going to answer some questions that you guys have. In my entire trading career, actually, together with my crypto profits in total, I made more than about $10 million in combined profits. During my time in the prop desk, when I was a top trader, we get a paycheck every quarter. So in the quarter where I was the top trader, in fact, there's actually 2 quarters where I was the top trader, I received my first paycheck of $92,000. And actually, it's very memorable for me. I even took a photo of the check being paid out to me. And actually, that quarter, I made about $200,000. But after commissions and splitting half 50-50 with the company, I took home about $92,000. And it's very memorable to me. Up to today, I still remember that incident where when I first received the paycheck, my bank account crossed the 6-figure mark. And I think this motivates me to be even better as a trader, because that's when I realized that hey, I'm making like $30,000 a month using my own skill set trading the markets, and it can be done. If I start with $100,000 today, I will not really select specific asset class like stocks or crypto. A lot of people will think that I will just go straight into crypto, right, and then just buy some of the degenerate tokens, right, and bet that it will go up 100x. But I think I wouldn't do that, right? If given the skill set that I have today, I will see the market condition. If the market condition right now is such that the crypto market is going to recover strongly, I will of course position myself more into the crypto market. But I will say that if I do not have the skill set that I have in price action manipulation, I would not have been able to capture the opportunities in the crypto market. I could have made a lot of money, but I could have lost it because I may not know how to take profits properly without my skill set in trading. But if the crypto market is not doing well, then I will look into trading stocks. And within the stock market, I will be looking more into fundamentally good companies that are also growth stocks, like what you have today, like Palantir, Tesla, Coinbase stock, and many others that can potentially generate high returns in a shorter period of time. And that's how I would grow my first pot of gold. Alright, a lot of people ask me this question about Tesla, right? Because I share this with my students, right? It's one of the stock that I actually hold, intending to hold for at least 3 years to 5 years. So my target price for Tesla, in short, is about $1,000. Because I believe that they are able to at least 5x their current revenue by selling more cars. And also, selling cars is just the baseline for Tesla. There are other so-called core options on like AI, battery, energy, and so on. I think one of the craziest incident I've seen, right, was in 2020, during the onset of the COVID news breakout, right, the Wuhan virus, during that time they call it. The market was selling off together with oil price. And during that time, I remember I was in my bedroom, I was looking at the oil futures, the crude oil futures, and I opened up the price ladder, the level 2 price quote. And I was thinking to myself, the oil price has fallen to almost zero, and during that time it was about $1. And I was thinking that I've never seen this, even when I was in the prop desk trading futures as well, I never seen a $1 oil price. And I see the history of crude oil, there's no $1. So I actually placed a bid buy one contract at $1. I was thinking, how much can I lose? Maybe I just cut at zero lah. Cut at zero, it means I will lose $1, right? But maybe I can make a few dollars later, right? But luckily, right, after I buy one contract at $1, I remember that it rebounds slightly. Then it came back down to about $1. And somehow my instinct tells me something is not right. It's too good to be true. And I scratched the trade away. So scratch the trade away means that I actually cover it, and I still make like maybe a few cents. But I remember a few minutes later, the oil price went below $1 to 50 cents, to 30 cents, to 10 cents. And during the time I was like, how can this happen? What's happening? And I go and Google, how come oil can go towards zero? But as I was doing my research, oil price started to go below $0. Right? right? Zero, and be traded negative. And I think a lot of people got killed. And that's also when I realized that I think even a lot of prop day traders don't know that actually oil price can go below zero. But luckily, I did not stubbornly hold the position and I just stay out throughout. Alright, this is also a common question a lot of my students ask me, right? Because they know that I like to look out for stocks with multi-bagger potential, even crypto. So I'll say that right now in our era, right? I think like Apple, Microsoft, Google, they were the 5-10x stocks 10-20 years ago. But they have grown to become very big already. So if you ask me for next 5-10 years, what is the multi-bagger stocks? It will be stocks like, in my view, I think Tesla still have room to grow. Palantir, Coinbase, because it's a proxy to the crypto market. Crypto market goes up 5x, I believe Coinbase will do well as well. So such stocks is under my radar. And crypto specific stocks, the safest one will be the crypto majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, right? They are the within crypto, they are like the S&P within crypto. If Bitcoin go to zero, the entire crypto market will vanish overnight. So it's almost impossible in crypto sense lah. So these are some of the things that I'm looking at. Okay, I think there's one very important and simple mental trick I have for myself. And it's not a secret, I can tell you that along the way in my trading career, I've always met with a lot of difficult decisions. Difficult decision is not just about cutting loss, but it's also sometimes difficult decision in terms of taking profit. Like you may be making a lot of money, right? Then you scared that after you take, the thing go higher, right? I can tell you sometimes people get angry or upset, not because they take profit, but because they take lesser than they're supposed to take. And there's one thing that helps me is I always ask myself this question: is this the right thing to do at a certain point of time? Like for example, if the price has risen a lot and I saw signs of market getting bearish or getting topish, I ask myself this question: is it the right thing to do at this point of time? And when I ask myself the right question, I get the right answer. And that's how I make myself more rational and logical when I make my trading decision. Multi-bagger, trash. Potential, multi-bagger, sneaky, not trustworthy, but play along with the flow. A way to make money and escape from the rat race. It's important to learn this skill set, right? What you learn here in Piranha Profits is financial education, right? Adam teaching more on investment, Bang on options, for me more on trading. And I think these are important skill set that you don't learn in school, right? And if you start early, you do have an advantage, right? I wish I know what I know maybe 10 years ago, right? I would have made even more money, like what Adam said, right, about investment as well. So start early and learn and be patient and give yourself a chance to practice and believe in the process. If you guys have any more questions for me, I'll be happy to answer them in the upcoming live black market event. Tickets are free, the link is below, click on it, and I'll see you guys in the black market event.